Hey friends! So I'm here. This is the October box, and I don't believe I did a design on the fly for September, so I will go back. But I'm picking out some of the beads that I just showed you in our video. So if you didn't get to see the unboxing, make sure you go check that out because the beads are amazing. Amazing. So beautiful. Alright, so these really struck me. I'm thinking something with these, some kind of earring thing, yeah. And then, of course, these gorgeous pearls. Holy cow, so pretty, so dainty. I love it. I just love it. Oh my goodness. They just, oh. These colors are just gorgeous. I love everything about this box. So make sure you go watch the video because they're so pretty. So the holes are on the sides. I was hoping I could go this way, but I think I'm going to have to go this way because just where the holes are, let's see. Ooh, I think I could do 2 pearls in there. Okay. And then I'm thinking these guys will maybe go here, and then we do some danglies. Alright, we'll give that a try. So these guys go here. Oh, maybe we need to put some up here, or we can put these guys up here. That look weird. I don't think so. That's different. And then it's going to have to come to a point somehow. In order to, you know, go through the... Alright, I'm thinking something like that. Of course, my camera's all blurry. I apologize. Maybe if I come a little closer. Sorry, I'm not sure why that's so blurry. Let's see if we can get that to work. Maybe. Alright, so we need some beading thread. This piece is just gotta go. Too short to do anything with. Alright. Just cut it. And now I need to smush it so it makes it easier to go through the needle. There we go. Alright, let's see. Where should we start? Where do we need to start? Maybe we'll start in the first bead. Where we need to end up to. So I'm making it like a stop bead. Went through and then back around. And then I'm going to pick one side to go down. And now I'm just stringing everything along. See? Real simple. So the nice thing about the drop bead is it will hang the way I want it to once I go back up. because it's the way that it's the holes drilled on there. See? Cute little drops. Oh my goodness. It's giving me mid-century modern vibes, which I'm really into mid-century modern right now. So, not sure. Oh, we did make it through the pearl again. Good. Wasn't sure if we would. Remember, leave some slack in there so the drop falls down nice and pretty. And then we'll go back up through our square crystal here. If I can. There we go. And now, guess I didn't want to go through here yet. Oh well. Go back down because maybe I'm trying to think how to, yeah, I'll make a loop and then go back down through and pick up the other side. Okay. Nope, that didn't work. I want to pick up the other side. How am I gonna? All right. I think that'll do it. Okay. So yeah, don't go back up through that top seed bead yet because we need to come back down and see how I'm going through on an angle. So you're almost doing a square. Not sure how to improve that. Yeah, I don't like that. I think I need to add another seed bead or something. I'm not quite sure how to make this work. Okay, we'll go back up through here. I think I'm gonna have to add a third bead. And then we'll pick up another seed bead for there. And then a new one that'll come down with me. And pick up the crystal. I think I know what I'm doing. Guess we'll find out, right? So I just want these two to come down. So that's why this is design on the fly, right? Because yay, that's what I wanted. Okay. Pick up my pearl. It goes in the middle here somewhere. There we go. Come back down through the bottom. Sorry, I went off camera. Kind of got a sci-fi vibe going on here. Pick up another seed bead. And my next drop. And then all the way back through everything. If you just take your time, you might be able to weave up through everything, or almost everything. No? Yay, I did it. That's definitely a different design. Okay, and then we'll attach the ear wire up here. All right. this off. Maybe I need to do the ear wire. Where's my movie? That's still recording? Huh. Oh my goodness, friends, you won't believe what I did. So I totally recorded and I thought I was recording and I forgot to hit record. So here's the final earrings. I made the second one in the same way. I think they're rather cute. So I'm excited. I'm happy for them. All right, enjoy. The only difference was I put 2 seed beads in at the beginning so that when I came over to the other side, it was a little less messy and a little more uniform. Alrighty. Thanks, friends. Have a good one.